In our first activity for the second module, we will be looking at an example of an algorithm and asking whether or not it is intelligent. In this activity, we are going to look at an example of a super smart artificial intelligence, or that at least is what you're going to tell your students. This is called the intelligent paper activity, and it's a great way of learning about algorithms, how to build them, and examining what it actually means for something to be intelligent. On this piece of paper, there is a set of instructions for how to play the game X's and O's, or noughts and crosses, depending on where you're from. These instructions guarantee that anyone following them will win or tie a game of X's and O's that they play. The full lesson plan for this activity gives you the full set of instructions. It'll get you to start by hyping up this paper, claiming that it's the most intelligent thing in the room. It's smarter than the teachers even. Your students may or may not believe what you claim, so you'll end up offering them a demonstration of the paper's intelligence by offering for it to play a game of X's and O's. Because surely any intelligent thing will be able to win an X and O's game, right? So you'll get one student to play as the paper and another student to verse the paper in the game. And you can repeat playing the game as many times as you want, but after a little while, the students will probably want to see the paper do something else, which it can't. It only gives the instructions for X's and O's. So this can lead into a great discussion about what it actually means for something to be intelligent. Should it be able to perform more than one task? Play one more game? This thing can't even play checkers. Should the paper be able to move or speak on its own? What are the actual important parts of intelligence? The intelligent paper is a great example of an algorithm. It is a set of instructions which can be repeated in order to guarantee that you either win or tie a game of X's and O's. And the main question from this activity is, do you think that this paper is actually intelligent? Why or why not? If not, what else would it have to show you to convince you that something is intelligent? What are the necessary pieces for something to be considered intelligent? This is a great discussion to ask as a class because it can allow you to identify what pieces of an AI are actually needed for it to be considered intelligent.